you have a choice between doing a reflection to kind of pause and think about what you have learned, realized, made connections with the global goals, or you have a thinking forward option and kind of thinking to the future to pause, think about what you've learned, connections that you've made, all that same stuff with the global goals. So I'll go over the reflection first. So after having watched videos, read, researched, taken notes, learned more about a specific global goal, looked at the research of others, you're just going to pause and write a brief reflection about what you learned. There are some questions down here to spark your thinking while writing your reflection, if you're stuck or if you're wanting some inspiration. These questions are here to help you reflect on what you might have learned about the global goals. You don't need to respond to all of them. You don't need to respond to a certain number. Respond to as many as you would like, as is helpful. You do need to respond. You do need to write a reflection, however you like. And so you do need to do some reflecting. So kind of pause, think about what you've learned, connections that you've made, and things like that. Just what you learned, what new ideas you have, what connections you made between problems and goals, between goals, how do you see the goals show up in your life or in the world. So you do need to reflect. You can write or create a reflection however you would like, but you do need to reflect. It should be thoughtful. So that's the reflection, and this will go over the thinking forward. So think to the future. So kind of pause right now based on where you're at, what you know, the research that you've done, what you've learned about the global goals in our world, what you've learned in your 15 or so beautiful years of life. And think about what the future may be like. What sort of world are we living in? Again, there are some questions or prompts right here to spark your mind if your mind needs some help. So again, this paragraph, these questions are here to help you reflect on what you've learned about the global goals and think about applying them to the future. So thinking about what are the lives of humans like, what problems do we still have, what problems have we solved, just kind of how is life going for humans. Again, you don't need to respond to all of them, but you do need to write a reflection or write a prompt. You can create your prompt however you would like, but it again does need to be thoughtful, just as the reflection does.